Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl C and I'm back with another video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make your own lip gloss liquid pigments. You guys have been asking me where I've been and all that extra stuff. As you notice, I'm in a different background because I was moving. So I will have more videos coming soon. These are all the items needed. This is just a regular container from the 99-cent store. I bought about 150 for about $4. My pipettes, I will leave the link down below for everything that I'm using in this video. That is a half, I believe that is a half a teaspoon measurement. Some castor oil. Some vitamin E oil. A syringe. I got this mixer from Amazon. I'll also leave the link to that down below. It is a portable mixer. Some pigment from TKB Trading. This is what the pigment will be going into. I also got that from Amazon. A scissor to cut off the pipette to fit it onto the syringe. And some paper towel. You are going to need a funnel. Just make sure you guys get a smaller one because this one was way too big. Now I know you guys usually ask me why does the pigment separate, so I'm just showing you this is a pigment from TKB Trading. And I can't remember what size this was, but it does separate. You will see the castor oil. I don't know if you can see it properly, but the castor oil does separate from the pigment. There is a way you can avoid that. I will show you guys later on in the video. You will just have to watch the whole video to find out. But here I'm just using a half a teaspoon of pigment. I won't be saying what color this is, but it's just, you could just get any pink from TKB Trading or wherever you get your pigments from. And I will be using 2 of these. Now I'm going to be adding 3 whole spoons of castor oil. This is not the exact measurements. You guys would just have to figure it out based on how many bottles you plan to fill. I was only doing 2, so I didn't use much. But the castor oil is pretty thick. That is the whole point of using it, so your pigments won't separate. But I'll be using the castor oil and the vitamin E oil for the shelf life. You don't necessarily have to use 3. It's all up to you, like I'm saying. Now I'm just going to be mixing that together. As you guys can see, it's not enough castor oil, so I will be adding some more, but I believe I did that off camera. You can use the mixer for that. It will make your life way easier, but I wanted to use the spoon first to see if it's not mixed properly. Then I'll use the mixer, which is what I did. So the mixture was a little bit lumpy, so I went ahead and used the mixer. And this mixer works so good, y'all. Like, if you have the little pigments that won't, like, I don't know how to explain it, but you know the little lumps in the pigment when you add the oil, that will get rid of that. Look how smooth that came out. There's literally no lumps left in there. Like, it's so smooth and creamy. So this is when I noticed the funnel was too big because I had to shove it inside the dropper, and the pigment was not going through. Like, it was super thick. I don't know if it was too thick or what, but yeah, it was not going through, so I had to try a different method. I don't even know why I said method like that, but by the way, y'all, I just moved, so everything is all over the place. That's why I haven't been making any lip gloss videos, and before that, I have a whole story to tell y'all, but I will save that for another video. But this is the reason why I haven't been doing lip gloss videos, because I can't find anything. Like, it's either I buy it all over, or I look for it, and me looking for anything right now is just not in the question. So yeah. So long story short, I just ended up using the pipette and the syringe method, which is easier, but it's not the easiest. So just make sure you get the correct size funnel, and then you'll be fine. But this video was clearly a fail, but at least it showed you guys how to make your own liquid pigments. That was the whole point, but yeah. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. See you in my next video.